Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To change the H4 high and low beam bulb, grab the black power connector and pull it. Remove the rubber cover which is around the bulb. To remove the bulb, you must simultaneously push inward and pull to the right. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Put the rubber cover back and reconnect the power connection.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
The pilot light is located under the H4 bulb. Grab the brown power connector, rotate it a quarter turn to the right and pull it out. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base, then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the left. To replace the bulb on the indicator light, you must first take out the indicator light block. Grab the pull tab under the H4 bulb and pull it down. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. To replace the indicator bulb, give the bulb connector a quarter turn anti-clockwise. This will allow you to take the whole thing out. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the light back in its housing. Replace the pull tab. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.